Hey, we back. 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 Hey.
These hoes couldn't test me, even if the name was Pop Quiz. Mad bitches who I fuck with. Mad bitches we don't.
It should definitely not take this long to start a video. But we back. Hey, yeah, we back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Alright, it's too lit over here. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. That's just how we good vibes over here on this channel. I don't know about nobody else's channel, but over here we got good vibes. Please excuse all the stomping. The new neighbors just moved in. They have marching band. So I had to come to you guys today with a haul, as you can see from the title, child. And don't mind me playing in my beautiful hair, my beautiful 30 inches. Okay, but I had to come to y'all today and just let y'all know what's the tea about Ross. Like, I went to Ross, right? Just spent like $200, $300 on some stuff because I want to redo my room. I already got the bed and I got everything else to go with it. So I took a trip to Ross, and you know that Ross is dressed for less. Save you a coin, sis. I don't know why the top of my head is cropped out because the lace is late, but the video's not gonna get done like this if I don't calm the fuck down. Okay, so listen, Ross is dressed for less. Okay, I've been shopping at Ross for a long time, but I never really browsed Ross little furniture section. Like, their little home decor department is lit. Okay, so I went and took a trip to Ross, and I should have took you guys with me, but I'm just going to show you guys the things that I got. Everything in this video is under $40. Let's just start with that. I told you guys that I'm going to be doing affordable stuff on my channel, and that's what I mean. Like, from the wigs to the clothes to the things you can put in your home, everything on this channel is affordable. Okay, I am not gonna make you spend all your money on this channel, sis. Okay, we gonna get a deal, we gonna get a bargain, and we gonna fake it till we make it. But no, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I picked up at Ross, and I found some really great things for my room. Keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. The first thing that I got from Ross is sheets. I bought a new bed. If you didn't see that video, go look at that video. I bought the bed, I bedazzled it out, and I got some sheets. But I didn't get just regular sheets. I did not buy regular sheets. These are velvet sheets. Okay, boom, velvet sheets. And the price is right here. They were only $26. Okay, so yeah, $26 for velvet sheets. I still haven't even opened them. Okay, it's just in the room, just waiting to get put up. But like I said, very affordable, comfy sheets that are gonna come through this winter because it's gonna be a cold winter, baby. The next thing that I got from Ross that was under $30, this stool. Thumbnail. This stool right here is just a, this view is better. It's just a little white little fur stool, and I'm just gonna, nobody's gonna use it, which I think they're not gonna use it. It's just for decoration. Again, this was the pricing, $26.99. And yes, this is super cute. Home decor, office decor, whatever you think it'll look cute on. Super bomb. $30. The next thing that I picked up that I did not even need, okay, I ain't need this. I don't even know where I'm going to put it at because my closet is like a walk-in closet, so it's really nowhere to put this. This is a over-the-door rack, and it was only $6.99. Super cute. I'm a pink girl. I love pink, and it has a little rhinestones on it, yeah, real cute. So yeah, I might put this in my bathroom. It depends. The next thing I got is super big, but I needed another one. I needed a revamped one. So this is what I got. Oh no. I picked up a over-the-door mirror. And I already have one of these, but you can never have enough. So this one is brand new. I still haven't took it out the box. And it was only $20 at Ross. And yeah. Next thing that I got is this rug. If you can't see it that good, I'm sorry. I'm only but so big. Shit is bigger than me. Look. But yeah, I picked up this rug at Ross, and the girl, when I actually bought this rug, was like mad that I bought it. She was like, that's the last one, and blah 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 blah. And I'm just like, bitch, listen, money talks, bullshit fucking walks. So I took the rug. But again, this rug was only $34.99, so under $40. I got the rug, and child, in the next month or so, I'll be to have my whole thing set up, and you guys will see the whole thing. I'm going to show you guys these last little things that I picked up. They weren't from Ross, but since I'm doing a room tour and a room makeover, I guess I'll add these things in there. So I picked up these things from other places. It wasn't Ross, but I mean, I might as well add them in because I'm not going to do a whole haul on these two little things. So yes, I got these right here, and they're just wall art, and I picked them up at the local Dollar Tree actually. So these are actually just $1, and I know they have bigger ones, but I think these are perfect sizing for me to put around my house. And this one just says good vibes only, because that's all we need around here. And this one says home sweet home. And the last thing that I picked up was from Five and Below, and it's just this. I know everybody's been seeing this. You know, your friends got this at their house, on their beds, on their TVs. I just want to put this on my TV. So once I get my TV up, that will go on there, and then I can kind of complete the room. Because right now, thank you guys for watching this goofy video. I know I'm a character, but I really did find some great things at Ross, and y'all know Ross is the place to be. So I know if they had this stuff in my store, they have this stuff in your store. And girl, go get this stuff, okay? You can $40 ain't nothing, okay? Pick easy, affordable way to save and slay your house, okay? Don't forget to like this video. Please like it. I mean, even if you didn't like it, just like it. Dislike it if you please. But don't forget to comment and make sure you subscribe, because I promise you I will be getting the affordable videos out. I know I keep saying it, but it's like sometimes timing is wrong with everybody in their life. So now my timing is perfect, and now I can get everything out to you guys that I need to. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you babies in my next video. Now for y'all who probably thought I was lying, this rug is way bigger than me. Look. This thing is heavy, god damn.